Hi, welcome to the Good Coffee Shop. What can I get?
I'll get a non-fat soy milk latte with extra vanilla and extra whipped cream. I really like my whipped cream.
Of course you do. What is she ordering? You sure that's what you want to order?
Well, I'm here by myself because I have no friends, and also I'm just not as hip as black coffee.
Why don't you try this? It's a new hip coffee mug from Cantina Elite Coffee. Not only will other people like you better, you'll like you better. This coffee mug is an instant boost of self-confidence.
Get your new Cantina Elite coffee mug now for only 3 orders of $19.99. And if you buy 2 fine Cantina Elite coffee mugs, we'll throw in another free Cantina Elite coffee mug for you and all your new hip friends to enjoy. But wait, there's more. If you complete a purchase of 4 quality Cantina Elite coffee mugs, we'll throw in 3 more coffee mugs. That's a purchase worth 21 payments of $19.99 for the price of only 12. A true steal, ladies and gentlemen.
I used to be lame too, and then I started drinking coffee out of this hip thermos, and I have tons of friends.
Maybe I'll give it a try. The choice is yours. Be sad and lonely, or happy and popular. Realize your true self with one easy purchase.
Get hip today.
I look and feel amazing. Wow, I look and feel amazing. Wow, I look and feel amazing.
Can we just... and go. Walk.
Okay. What was that voice? Last time, we got this.
I talked and then I...
What is she wearing?
What?
I said uno, dos, and tres.
Okay, ready?
Wait.
Cantina Elite.